Welcome back, everybody. Say hello, Levi.
Hello.
Hello. We're gonna do an install on the MBRP quiet can on Levi's 850 Renegade MBRP quiet can. Probably said it already. So we'll do a quick little install video. Pop the windshield off, and you should be able to pull on each of the corners. And if you fold it forward, they'll pop out of the 3 grommets. Take off the side panel. Clip, clip, clip. Over and up. Repeat for the other side. All right, I got 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt. On the other side, got 5 and 6. And after we get the gauge cluster and the glove box out, there'll be 2 more under there, and I'll show you those when I get the other 6 pieces out. All right, once you get those 2 bolts out, you kind of got to pick up the center here along with the gauge cluster and pull it forward. And this guy you actually have to push back and up. And those are those 2 other screws I was talking about. You also need to remove the gauge cluster. All your connections are out. Fold these over. Those 2, and I know I said I'd get those 4, but those 4 and those 2, we'll get those next. 1, let's start with 3, 4. Well, I didn't record that one apparently, but here's number 6. And then ensure you don't lose them, put them on the floor. Come to your Harbor Freight toolbox. Grab the longest number 2 you got. And then that Phillips has to come out. That's not out, it's gotta be loose. It's a hose clamp for the airbox. Now, you should be able to give her a pull forward and off. Move the heat shield here over the springs. You guys got the springs. Put it in their pile, they never get lost. And down there. And there we go. There's the stock one. Transfer over rubber grommets. All right. Now reverse the installation process. Peg down. Oh, you gotta put the stem in there. Over on the bottom. Push up. Tighten down to a very highly specific torque spec. There we go. If you don't own a spring tool, you're the scum of the earth. Pop the O2 sensor, grab your 17 mil. Plug in the O2 sensor. Well guys, can's installed along with a straight line performance brace kit. But yeah, Levi, what's your first thoughts?
It sounds really good.
Yeah.
It's not obnoxious, but it gives that stock a nice deep tone. It sounds really good. I think I like it.
Yeah, so it sounds like it barks just a little bit more deeper at idle, but not like obnoxiously loud, so.
Trail saver.
Yep. Got a double thumbs up from us, so. Levi's being promoted to our new media man, so you gotta check out Wiener Fab Brothers for updates for now on, so. All right, see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like.